And hello guys, welcome here. In this video I will show you development update from Ethereum and Solidity cores. I think it's already update 14 or 15, I am not really sure, but I have done quite big progress with these cores. I have added new lectures, and as you can see here, we are displaying here different statuses of the purchase for the courses. So currently I am as the account which is the buyer of the courses, and I can show you that I can buy the course and I can also repurchase the course if the course was deactivated by the administrator. All of these lectures, how to create this, are already added into the course. So for example, as the buyer, I would like to have access to Electron.js. I'll purchase it. Okay, I'll provide your emails. I will submit, and I will submit a transaction here, confirm. Okay, so now I have Electron.js, but it's pending state. As you can see here, it has to be activated by the administrator. Also, I can purchase, let's say, Next.js. I will purchase the Next.js. I will show the examples of this. But I'm a sneaky person. I will change here the price of the Ether to be 0.1, which is not acceptable. Actually, it's acceptable. That's a quite large price. Let's say I will choose here 0.0001. I'll submit this. Okay, I will confirm. Cancel now is also pending state. Now I will log in as the administrator account. Here, that's my account too. Now I can go to manage courses. And here I will see the price. Somebody put the wrong price, so I can deactivate the course as the administrator. So I will deactivate. Okay, confirm. This course will be now deactivated, as you can see here. All right, and the price has been reset to the 0. The remaining Ether was sent back to the original buyer. I can go back to buy section, and can go as the buyer of this course, and you will see now the course will be deactivated. What I can do in that case, I can fund to activate it again. So I'm still the owner of the course, but I'm not able to have some privileges of the course. But I'm still able to fund to activate it. So now I'm for the correct price. I'll submit this. Now the gas fees will be much lower when we are repurchasing for this price. I can confirm. Cancel. It's again pending state. So again, I can check it in my courses as well. All right, so Next.js is purchased. Okay. And now I can go as the administrator account 2. I can go to manage courses, and now I can accept this course. So this should be this one here. So I can now activate the course. I'll confirm this. Now it's activated. So when I will go as the user, original buyer, you will see the Next.js is now activated. It's mine, and I should be able to watch the lectures. I should have available some privileges. That's this course here activated. And I can go to homepage, to this course. It will say that I'm owner of this course. Alright guys, so these lectures are already done. There was quite a lot of implementations, and I didn't mention yet also that we have been getting a lot of tests here. So when I run here truffle test, there is a lots of tests created. I'm testing every aspect of the smart contract, also the transactions and the Ether is sent, and balances of the buyers, sellers, and so on. So all these tests are passing, and I'm going to add even more tests. Guys, that's gonna be it from development update, and I see you in some other videos. Cheers.